Hello. Good evening to everybody. They're changing ID again. They are changing. Okay, not a problem. And now observe it here. In a previous class, anybody attending? Yeah. In a previous class, are you installing Oracle software? Anybody trying? Anybody installed Oracle software? Yes, very good. Once you are installing a what Oracle software, okay. Yesterday, remaining thing I am not telling why, because some other thing is there 19C onwards. That's why 19C we are starting. Slowly observe it here. Actually, we are installing a what? Enterprise edition. You are observing or not? Enterprise edition. In Enterprise edition, extra users are available. Which users are available? Very good. Scott and HR. Okay, that is the olden days. But unfortunately, Oracle 19C onwards here is a problem. Oracle 19C onwards, Scott user is not available. That is a problem. Scott user is not available nowadays. Why means in a net only those tables they are giving only. Suppose if you want Scott user, then what we can do? I will tell you. I will tell you those steps and also how we are copying those tables, predefined tables. Yesterday I told no those tables. How we are copying, I will tell you. Then we are setting SQL plus tool, another colors and text colors, background color. We are changing. Don't worry. Now check it out. Concentrate here. Concentrate here. Suppose I'm installing a Oracle software. For example, yesterday anybody trying this installation. After installation, slowly observe it here. I'm opening a what? SQL plus tool. Here 19C Enterprise Edition user Scott. I'm typing. Just whenever I'm typing this one, it is not available. There's a problem. Yes, not available. Scott user is not available. But system user is available. Don't worry. Okay. Yeah. System in installation time, I'm giving a password. That password I'm entering. That is connected to the where Oracle database. Possible or not? Yes. But how can I change that passwords? How we are changing environment? Those all the things I will tell you today. Write it slowly. First time newcomer, write it. Open SQL plus tool. Sheikh Ahmad, you are trying in a where directly? Yes, maybe. That is, you have to create an account and try it. Okay, working. Don't write it. Very good. Open SQL plus tool. Oracle software downloads. Canada site is there. No, that is better. I think. Write it. Open SQL plus tool. Or write it fastly. This one. Enter username. Dot. Enter password. Tiger. Error. Invalid username. Password. Logon denied. Okay, maybe 19C you are installing. 19C onwards, this extra user is not available. Don't worry. That user you want to miss, I will tell you which method. Solution right. System user means working. No, sys user, system user, admin users are there. This is working. Write it. Solution right. Finish the invalid username or password login delete. Solution right. Enter username, system. Enter password tiger connected to Oracle database 19C Enterprise Edition. Anybody lately connected means what I am telling nothing. Okay, they are changing ID again, they are changing it will take a time. Now observe here. Whenever 19C onwards, this enterprise edition Scott user not available. I am telling one just then solution write it. System user through we are connecting. Okay, yeah, system user that Scott user is not a small thing. Okay, yeah, write it. Completed. Now suppose so many fellows are working in a where 9, 10G olden days versions actually. In that one, Scott user is a popular user really. I want Scott user same like a olden days version. Some fellows are asking. That's why those persons purpose. If you want a Scott user means I try to create a what user how means in a future. I will tell you. Don't worry. Same steps, some small steps I'm embedded into where in a Scott user creation, then working, not a problem. But blindly you are learning one. Finished this one. Up to this one is finished. Now write it side heading. If you want Scott user, for example, you want maybe not required nowadays Scott user. Why? Because in a user side also we are copying those tables. I will tell you. One of these is understandable. Write it. If you want Scott user, okay, na? If you want Scott user, and now here check it out. Check it out. Here, observe it here. If you want Scott user means how can I screen observe it? Here we are creating a user. Don't write it. First we have to connect to the where any user, system user or sys user. Then we have to create this user like this. Don't write it. Just observe it here. This is future concept, but better to know blindly. Create user. Username. What? Identified by any password A, B, C, X, Y, Z, but Tiger is there olden days. That one I identified by. Don't worry, just the syntax that one. Password like this. Create user. Okay. After that one, grant connections are required. Grant in experienced person means they have an idea. Connect comma resource comma DBA rules are there that we are giving only. But you don't have an area anything, just a DBA you are giving to user. Then only working, otherwise not working. Why? Because so many things are there. There is a very big concept later. DCL command side I will tell you. Is a role given to the where this user. Then only that is connection or so many things are privileges are there. Now observe it here. Then only you have to connect into where Scott user working. Same like olden days. Whatever Scott user is nowadays possible. Okay, just same like a normal user. I am creating a name only. Nothing is there. Write it. If you want Scott user, anybody want, then just write it. Write it. If you want Scott user, later you are familiar, but first also better to know. Create user, username Scott identified by in a password. Next step, grant DBA to username, then only work. Don't worry. CONN means connection. Completed. Next observe here. In this Scott user, why this user is popular in a olden days? Tables are there, predefined tables are there. But today I try to type in a table, for example, it won't work. Why? Because user also not there, but tables where it will be not there. But I want these tables also means better to go for Google. Demo bld.sql file is there. Don't write it, just observe it here. Here in a Google only, we have to type it demo bld. That notes I will tell you. First observe it here. Demo bld.sql is a file is there. In this file only, Scott seeded tables are available. Oracle Corporation giving that one. And now check it out. Suppose here I want to copy those tables and paste it enough. Suppose here I am opening a Google. Just here demo bld.sql file I am typing. Here demo bld.sql file. This file I am typing, okay, in a site, but Oracle Apps DNA, this site I am taking because easiness purpose in your own vision. Double click this one. Administrator means differently they are copying, but I am copying through the net. Okay, just create table is there. No? Here onwards copy. Copy these all the tables up to coming. Copy. Okay, you want this table and paste it in a where in your Scott user. In a user side also paste it. Don't worry. But olden days Scott user same you want means this is the method. Okay, press enter. Now automatically same like a olden days, whatever tables are there nowadays, those tables also available or not? DEPT is a table. Here EMP is a table. We are setting a what environment. Set page size like this. Now here check it out. This type of table. Okay, yeah. Here style grade is a table. Same like a olden days 10G, 11G, 12C, these type of how Scott user tables are available. Nowadays also we are practicing, not a problem. But you don't want this Scott user, these all the things, leave that one. Just whatever tables you want, practice table means from the net demo bld.sql file, copy paste into system user also copy it, not a problem. But better to know some other user too. Why? Because some other concepts are there next. Write it. Here write it. Select a star from EMP. Error write it. One fellow is giving a what a system tiger. Okay, yesterday whatever password you are giving that password, otherwise it won't work. Okay. Otherwise installation some other software means manager you are giving means what? System and password manager you are giving. Because another installation you are giving means select star from EMP. Error table or view does not exist. Okay. Yeah, write it, write a note. My system is different, your system is different. Yeah. Don't use Oracle Apex. This is different. Okay. Write it. Select star from EM. Error table or view does not exist. Manager you have to use. Okay. Write it. Write a note in Google. Write it fast. In Google, we have to type demo bld.sql file. In Google, we have to type demo bld.sql file for predefined Scott tables. Predefined Scott tables. For this one, use, okay, I am using only, you are using it. Use Oracle Apps DNA demo bld.sql file. Right. Copy those tables and then paste it in SQL prompt. Copy those tables and then paste it in SQL prompt. Okay, now. Okay, next, observe here. You want the tables in this user like this. Suppose you are a first time newcomer, you are installing a what Oracle software, but you are forgetting a what that username. For example, anything you are typing. Maybe yesterday, whatever installation time you are giving password, there is squad password, otherwise system password, you are forgetting, for example. Don't worry. Whenever it is not connected, also don't afraid only. Just a simple technique Oracle Corporation giving. First, in every database, super users are there. Through that one, we are performing a what some are administrative tasks. In Oracle, what is the super user means? Sys user. This sys user password also sys. First, we have to connect to where that sys user. Then only we are allowed to change a what passwords for system user, Scott user, any user passwords also you are interested to change it. How can I miss alter user username identified by new password is there. Suppose Scott user password I want to change means don't write it, just observe here, connect this as this DBA. Okay, at SQL prompt side. Suppose enter password, enter username, it will display means CONN not required. Okay. Here predefined password SYS, it is not visible like this. Super user I am connecting. Through that one, Scott user password I want to change means alter user username Scott identified by new password anything anything okay like. Okay. Now I am connecting a what username and password. System password also we have to change it, not a problem. Here it is not working. Now connect cot and a. Observe here. A. Working or not? Yes. Suppose this password also I want to change. For example, okay, practice purpose. First we have to connect to where? This as this DBA super user. That is different syntax. Don't worry. Now here this DBA role is there. Sys like this. Now alter user username identified by new password. Suppose olden days password tiger I'm giving, for example. So many fellows are good at what that one. Now connect here Scott and tiger. This is the way possible. Okay, na? Yeah. Write it. Write a note. Now you have to change the password. One fellow is a manager. I'm giving also. It will give us a error because we are Apex. We are loading. That's the problem. Write it. You have to change it password. Write a note. Sys user, you have to enter it. That is better. Okay. This is the way. Write it. Write a note. In Oracle, we can also change passwords for users. These steps straight. Okay. Write a note. In Oracle, we can also change passwords for users. In this case, first we must connect to super user. It's a big concept actually, but blindly go for that one. In this case, first we must connect to super user. Write it fast. In Oracle, super user is sys user. In Oracle, super user is sys user. This sys user password also sys. This sys user password also sys. Okay, na? Now, side heading for changing password. You're not using Apex also working. Don't worry. These methods, write it, okay? For changing password, write it. CONN connection, sys as sysdba, enter password sys. This is not visible sys only, not a problem. Just type it sys, okay? Small letters, type it in a way spot. Write it syntax. Syntax, write it. Alter username identified by new password. Ever keyword after space is there. Okay. Yeah. Now syntax, write it. Another syntax. Go to SQL prompt CONN username slash password semicolon. Connect username slash password. Example one, write it. Now first, you are interested to change means connect on and this password I want to change. Write it this. Any user password also you have to change. User we are changing means not possible. That is create a new user is there in a later. Write it. This says STB. Enter password sys. Complete this one. Okay, na finished. Completed. Now, example 2, write it. System user password also you are interested to change, means change it. Same. Connect SysDB. SQL prompt means CONN. SQL prompt is not there means enter value per user. These type of things it will be displayed. No? Download yesterday I told no. This is not a Java, this is not a AI, this is not a okay front end. Okay, back end database means you are only trying, you are only struggling, then errors through you are remembering all the things. Subject learning is totally different. Struggling is very, 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 very important in this case. So many experienced persons are first initial stage, they're struggling, they're error through in a project side at the time of solving the task, they are facing so many problems and they're experts later. Okay, that is important. Everyone try it practically. That's why some things I am not telling about first initial stage. Later you are familiar, but first just you are trying, you are only all the things means all the things I am telling means you are attending classes no use. Finished this one. Completed. Now check it out. Okay. Now concentrate here. Very, very important. Most powerful. New user not required in this. Observe it here. Actually, anybody want to change color of the SQL plus. Then only a Scott user side anybody try to create error means I will tell you next. Okay, don't worry. That is environment setting. Now observe it here. Screen observe it. Suppose now I'm installing a Oracle software. Okay, now slowly observe here. Here, enter username is there. Some fellows are here only they're giving a CONN. No, don't give any CONN here. SQL prompt is there, then only we are allowed to give CONN. CONN means connection. Enter username is which user you are interested, that one. System user, installation time, whatever password you are giving, that one. Suppose it is not working means connect here which one? Sys as sysdba, enter password sys. This sys user is working, no? Yeah. Here only we are changing what passwords for other users. Okay, na? Yeah. Alter, don't write it. Alter user, username, system password also I want to change. Identified by new password, anything also I'm giving. Okay, na? Then automatically that password also change. Okay, na? Yeah. Suppose whenever next time we are connecting to server, that password maybe you are changing, you know, that password you are giving me is working. That's what simple. Zone XYZ, XYZ, and that is not visible, but it is working. But how can I view that one encrypted password that later data dictionaries are there? First, don't think deeply, okay, because everything is a big concept. And now check it out. Concentrate here, concentrate here. Suppose here this screen is white screen only. How it is possible? I'm changing the color, really. Actually, black screen actually, same like a DOS prompt. Suppose observe it here. Where the Oracle is there, just observe it here. I'm open SQL plus. This is original. Here black screen is there. Whenever you are working in a where command line interface, whatever predefined text color is there, whatever predefined background color is there, that is only working really. But latestly, they are providing a Oracle Corporation policy onwards. You are interested to change this text color, SQL plus tool text color or background color. Possible, possible, possible. How can I means? We must create a shortcut. First, we must create a shortcut for SQL plus tool. Then only we are allowed to change. Suppose here I am changing a what color of the SQL plus tool. In a so many SQL plus tools, I'm changing here. Observe here. Colors are there, different colors. Just you are interested in. Okay, yeah. But how can I mean? So first we need to create a shortcut for SQL plus tool. Same like other softwares, how we are creating a shortcut. Same like that one only we are creating a what shortcut. Then just two changes are there. Finished. Nothing. Suppose for example notes is there, but before that one I am trying only. Then you are understandable maybe. Now check it out. 1 minute. Concentrate. Suppose just here, where is that one? Yeah, Oracle. Don't write it here. SQL plus tool, right click. Okay, na? Yeah, more is the option. Open file location because shortcut creation is this one. Okay, yeah. Here, this shortcut send to desktop. Anyway, but desktop in a Windows side. Okay, yeah. Now, where is that SQL plus tool is there? Here. Okay, after 1 minute only. Open this one. Right click, properties, colors, radio button, screen background color, your own wish, any color also. Now, right click, properties, color, screen text color is there, like this. Just you have to select a what, any color. Okay, yeah, now I'm closing this one. Again, I'm opening. Yes, automatically changing or not, your own. That's why if you want to change a what, color of the SQL plus tool also possible. Nowadays, olden days, this is not there. Write it. Their latest changes there. Write a note. If you want, then otherwise not a problem. Okay, write it. Write a note. If you want to change color of the SQL plus tool, if you want to change color of the SQL plus tool, then first we must create. If you want to change color of the SQL plus tool, then first we must create shortcut for SQL plus tool. If you want to change color of the SQL plus tool, then first we must create shortcut for SQL plus tool. Then right click. Then right click and then select properties. Then right click and then select properties. And then change background color. And then change background color and also change text color. And then change background color and also change text color. Okay, these steps, right? These steps I am telling. Example, step 1 is very easy. Windows side, start, Oracle, SQL plus, right click, more, open file location. Next, step 2, go to that SQL plus file, right click, send it to desktop, create shortcut. Okay, desktop. Your experienced person means SQL loader, sorry, SQL developer tool you are loading is better actually. These are all the things not required. Okay, now step 3, write it. In desktop SQL plus file, double click, after open, right click, select properties, change screen background color and change screen text color. Radio buttons are there now, through that one. Completed? Yeah. Again, got user side, we are creating some errors academy, some other settings are there. That is Monday, I will tell you. Up to this one, please be try it. Why? Because first only we are giving a what very slowly that notes and all. Later, very fastly, I will tell you. Okay, yeah, because time very less only there. Okay, now up to this one, you have to try it your own way. Then Monday, I will tell you. Monday will come.